Today we will be starting with new topic. Its name is sound. It is in both the syllabi in NCERT as well as in state board. Name is identical and the chapters are also somewhere around 13, 15 or something like that. So the thing is this, that when we are going to deal with this chapter, there are many activities which you are supposed to do in this. Some few we will do it over here, but many you can do at home by yourself. Chapter is sufficiently small, so it may turn out to be just one-day match and we will be able to finish up the chapter in one day itself. So I will start using the share screen. Before I start, definitely I will unmute you all. So if you have any difficulty related to previous topic, you certainly can ask. I have unmuted you, and if at all you have any difficulty, do ask me. We have done force, friction and pressure. So those topics are done. Now we are going to move for sound. So let me hope that my sound is heard by you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good, great.
Sir, your sound is very low.
Sound is very low. Okay, I will shout. I will increase my sound. So keep your pens ready, your brains ready, and we will start. Sound. I request everyone to mute their mic. Rushikesh Bunde, please put off your mic. Yash Dhore, put off your mic. Rushikesh. Your mic is on, beta. Okay. Azizur Rahman, your mic is on. Fine. These are the tuning forks which are used for experiments related to sound. This is the way how the sound wave looks like. And these are the instruments which are going to produce sound. Many type of instruments are there. There is no need to note down the names of these particular instruments and see them. But this is just the information that these are the different type of instruments which are used. Now the question comes, what exactly sound is? Now before that, just a particular statement. As I said, it is 13th chapter in NCERT, whereas 15th chapter in state board. So this is the topic which I am going to deal with. So, sound. We see that vibrating objects are the objects which are responsible to produce the sound. It is always necessary that some type of vibration is necessary. Without that, sound cannot be produced. For example, whenever I clap, at that time the hand hits the other hand, there has to be a gap. If suppose I am having some cloth in between, then the sound is not of this type. Or otherwise, the other information or other thing is, if I'm having this glass in front of me, certainly I can hear the sound. I hope everyone can hear this. And this type of sound will change if I fill this glass with liquid, water. So I'm going to pour the water in front of you. little bit. Please see earlier sound and this sound. Now little more. It had changed. And still more. And still more. So this is the way how the type of sound, quality of sound changes. Now this particular sound is produced due to vibration in the air column which is trapped within the glass. Glass is not going to produce the sound. But there are some substances which are sonorous. Means if suppose I am having this and if I hit it, no sound is produced. This is very low sound. But if the same thing I do with this, now the sound is too large. Earlier in our school days, we used to have the bell of the school in this pattern only. And so on. Fine. So such particular quality is related with the metal. Metals are called as sonorous. Sonorous means they produce the sound. So for producing the sound, we cannot ask the object that you produce the sound and the sound will be produced. No such thing is there. It has to vibrate and then only the sound will be produced. Now over here, we cannot see the vibrations. We can see the, but that particular plate is vibrating like this and that is what is producing the sound. Vibration may be of the surface or of the skin. Now, if I'm having some rubber stretched in my hand, right now I don't have, but you are having some divine power, and you can imagine that I'm having a rubber band in between my hands. And then I stretch it, then it will produce a sound, twang. So that particular sound is the sound produced by string. In instruments, that particular thing is done by instruments which are called as instruments which are using vibrating string like guitar, sitar, and so on. So such particular things are also there, and when surface is vibrating, at that time obviously it is tabla, dagga, mrudang, dholka, and so on, drums. So these are surface vibrations. Sometimes the sound is audible, sometimes it is not audible. Sir, why, sir? If suppose I am having, I don't know whether this is audible or not. This is the instrument which is called as tuning fork. Please look at it carefully. It is having two arms and this particular is called as stem. This is called as stem. You have this figure in the state board book. There is no mention of this in the NCERT. Now this particular is going to produce the sound. I hope that you may not be able to hear this sound at present. But this is vibrating. Neither you can see the vibrations, but now it may be audible. Is it audible?
Yes, sir, it is audible.
No, sir.
No, sir, it's not audible.
No, sir, it's not audible.
No, sir.
Not audible.
Sir. Yes, sir. Not audible.
No, sir.
Fine. So what we will try to do is, after some time, I will try to connect the wire over here, and in front of mic, I will create the sound, because if I hold it near to my ear, I can hear it. So we will do it afterwards, or maybe I can try with this. Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Little bit was audible.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, we will do this particular afterwards.
No,
Don't
sir.
worry.
A little bit it is audible.
So it is not
A
audible.
little bit.
Okay. So we will proceed further. If I move this particular hand like this, that also is a vibration, but I cannot hear this sound because this is beyond my capacities. Sound need medium to propagate. Hence, cell phone ring will not be heard from the pot with partial vacuum or on moon. So we won't be able to listen as there is no medium on moon. I hope you people are writing all this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, partial vacuum means
Partial vacuum means whenever I will suck the particular air, it will be complete vacuum.
Sir,
The pressure will get reduced.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, sound need medium to propagate means, sir, define it.
Means whenever the sound is moving from one place to another place, I am speaking and you are hearing. For this, there must be air in between. If suppose there is a mic over here, then from my mouth, the sound will go up to there whenever there is a medium in between. If there is no air, sound will be able to go.
Understood.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, it means if we are in space, we cannot hear sound.
Obviously not. On moon we cannot hear. In space we cannot hear.
Okay, sir.
That's why we never conduct the class on moon. Na?
Sir, how does sound propagate in solids?
Well, solids are having medium, so the sound will propagate through it. There are atoms, they keep on vibrating.
Sir, why? Because sir, why? If there is not air, so we can't hear the sound.
Because there is no medium. If instead of air there is a metal, then we can hear the sound.
Okay, sir.
Right, but
Sir, means जेव्हा airचे particles vibrate होतात तेव्हा एक means from one
correct,
place to
correct,
another.
correct. Perfectly correct, beta. Perfectly correct. So let me hope that everyone is writing all these things, not just listening to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Excuse me, sir.
Pass, bola.
No, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
No, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Sure, sure. I will wait. Don't worry.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
So when the men go in space, then how can they communicate with each other?
By having the particular walkie-talkie.
So they are using cell phone, sir.
They are using cell phone in one way. Yeah.
तर तिकडे तर बोलताच नाहीये.
लक्ष माईक बंद करून टाक बोलणं झालं. श्रेयश पटेल काही विचारायचं आहे?
Sir, done.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके.
Excuse me, sir.
येस प्लीज.
सर मोबाईलवर कसे बोलू शकतात? ते तर बोलताच नाहीये.
मोबाईल तो याच्या आतमध्ये असतो ना, सूटच्या आतमध्ये असतो. सूटच्या आतमध्ये हवा असते. त्याच्यामुळे त्या मुखवट्याच्या आतमध्ये सगळं काही असतं. तिथे बोललेलं त्याला ऐकू जातं मायक्रोफोनला. इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक वेव्स कॅन ट्रॅव्हल विदाउट मीडियम. दे इंटर इन टू द अदर पर्सन shield, and over there he can hear it. He is having one particular speaker on his ear and mic in front of his mouth.
So means electromagnetic wave does not need medium.
No, they don't need medium. They can travel without any medium. Om, काही विचारायचं आहे का बेटा?
Sir, speed of light changes in every medium, sir. Liquid, solid, and gas.
तुला लाईट विचारायचं आहे की साऊंड विचारायचं आहे?
Speed of sound.
It changes in every medium. It is slowest in air. It is more in liquid and maximum in solid.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you told that it is least in air and most in solids.
Yes.
But sir, if our friend is standing on the other end of the table and he talks to us, we can hear it almost in the same speed as if air, and if he knocks on the table, same speed is there. Then how can we determine?
Yeah, so you can determine this by keeping your ear on the surface of the table. And now ask your friend to tap the table. This is table. Your friend is keeping his ear on the table like this.
Okay, sir.
And ask him to tap the particular table.
Yes, sir.
Then you would lift your ear and again hear that particular tap. You
Yes.
can definitely feel the difference between the two.
Okay, sir.
Right, beta.
Thank you, sir.
And please, everyone, try to do this experiment.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, there is a game played in childhood mainly that there are two glasses and there is a rope between them.
Yeah. Perfectly correct. That activity is given in your book.
Yes, sir. So what is science behind it?
Nothing. Sound travels through that particular wire. Generally, that wire is also made wet. When it is wet, at that time, sound travels in a more easier way.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now, what are the... Yes, please.
Sir, sound can travel through paper or plastics?
Yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm holding paper in front of me.
Yes, sir.
But even then, you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, how the sounds will be different? One difference is because its loudness. I'm speaking very low sound. I'm speaking very high sound. The volume changes. Volume is called as loudness. The loudness is measured in terms of bell, or conveniently in terms of decibel. So bell or decibel are the unit of this, similar to gram and kilogram. In the same way, bell and decibel. Later on, when we studied sound little more systematically, at that time we came to know that this loudness is related to the square of the amplitude of the wave. Sir, what is amplitude? That will be made clear afterwards.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, how it is measured?
How?
How it is measured?
There are meters for that. The particular pointer vibrates. If it vibrates by more amount, then the more loud sound is there. And if it is less, then it will be less.
Okay, sir.
Sir, which is more, bell or decibel?
Decibel is smaller, bell is bigger.
Sir, is there any instrument to measure the bell and means sound?
Yeah, even the particular things are available on your Play Store. You can have decibel meter and you can measure the amount of loudness of the sound.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
So who discovered this decibel and bell?
Obviously, Bell was the person who discovered this. In his memory, the name is given as Bell.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, is there any mathematical formula?
Obviously, yes.
Sir, what is it?
And that formula is related with A square.
Sir,
Yes.
so sound is measured in hertz, no?
Its frequency is measured in hertz. Its loudness is measured in decibel.
Huh.
Sir, can you please explain the second point?
There is a term by name amplitude. Amplitude is the maximum displacement or the height of that wave. So this was earlier defined. About the wave we came to know afterwards. So people started searching that what is relating with this bell. So they came to know that frequency is not related, it is the amplitude which is related. Well, if amplitude is related, means if suppose I want to take the picture of this wave, generally it looks something like this. This is just a reference line. And the particular wave looks like this. So this particular is nothing but amplitude. The distance or the particular distance covered in one cycle, this particular is called as wavelength. And the number of waves in 1 second is frequency. Now the loudness, which is generally denoted by symbol I, is proportional to A square.
Sir, we have to draw the diagram.
Yeah, draw it, nothing wrong in it. It's not in your syllabus, but what's wrong in it?
Okay, sir.
सर एम्पलीट्यूड नहीं समझ लो.
Sir, what is A square?
I'm not able to hear. Please speak away from the phone. Don't bring your mouth near to phone.
Sir, what is it? A square?
A square is the loudness is proportional to A square. A is amplitude.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is there any constant formula?
Obviously, the constant is there. But we are not concerned with that constant right now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Petra?
So why there is written normal between 10 means D smaller and B bigger, that decibel?
That is indication of decibel.
Okay, sir.
The sound produced in our normal breathing is 10 decibel. Whenever we are whispering with each other at a distance of 5 meters, then it is 30 decibel, just able to hear the sound from a distance of 5 meters. 5 meters means one is standing at one end of the wall and other is at the other end of the wall. 15 feet is the distance between the two. Our normal conversation with each other is creating 60 decibel. When we are on the road and the traffic is going on, that turns out to be 70 decibel. Lakesh Chaudhary, mic banda kara. Laksh Chaudhary, sorry.
Sir, swing is moving to and fro, so why doesn't it create sound?
What is what is not creating sound?
When swing is also moving to and fro, no? So
It produces sound, but we are not able to hear that sound.
Sir, it is so minute.
Too minute means its frequency is too less.
Okay, sir.
सर
Bola.
सर जे नॉर्मल कन्व्हर्सेशन आहे ना
हो
सर ते तर ऍव्हरेज असणार का बरं कोणी जोराने बोलते कोणी थोडं म्हणजे
म्हणूनच
त्यांचा
तर तो
आवाज
म्हणूनच तर तो नॉर्मल शब्द टाकला तिकडे मागे,
हम्म.
की कोणी जोराने पण बोलणार नको, कोणी खूपच हळू आवाजातही बोलणार नको. साध्या आवाजामध्ये बोलून राहिलो आपण एकमेकांशी, त्यावेळेला ते 60 डेसिबलच्या जवळपास जातं.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर. एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हा बोला.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर. तर
बोला ना.
आपल्याला आवाज का ऐकू येतो? कारण व्हायब्रेशन्स होतात, म्हणजे व्हायब्रेशन्स आपल्या कानापर्यंत पोहोचतात.
बरोबर.
बट सर रिसर्च मतलब मैंने पढ़ा था कि कभी कभार अपने ईयर्स सम दे प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन माइन्यूट साउंड्स. सो व्हाई इज दैट? वाइब्रेशन तो नहीं था?
Ears don't produce any sound.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir. What is the formula of sound?
So,
फॉर्म्युला ऑफ साऊंड म्हणजे काय?
आपल्याला साऊंड काढायचं असेल तर
साऊंड हे एनर्जीचं नाव आहे बेटा, त्याचा थोडीच फॉर्म्युला राहणार आहे. फॉर्म्युला फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी असं थोडीच असतं.
So what is that average factory?
हा, आता एखाद्या फॅक्टरीमध्ये तुम्ही गेले जिथे खूप साऊंड होऊन राहिलेला आहे, मशीन चालू आहेत सगळीकडे इकडून तिकडून, तो साऊंड सगळ्यात जास्ती असतो माणसाला त्रास देणारा. दॅट इज सपोज टू बी 80 डेसिबल. आणि 80 डेसिबलच्या वरती जो साऊंड आहे तो आपल्याला हार्मफुल असतो.
Sir, do dB stands for decibel?
हो, डीबी स्टँड्स फॉर डेसिबल.
सर
बोला.
सर कॉम्प्रेशन री रिफ्रॅक्शन म्हणजे?
कंडिशनल
कॉम्प्रेशन अजून री रिफ्रॅक्शन म्हणजे?
येईल बेटा ते आपल्याला.
Excuse me, sir.
बोला.
1 bell is equals to how much decibel?
बेटा एकाचा प्रश्न चालू असताना मध्ये नको विचारत जाऊस. हा बोल बेटा, काय मगाशी काय विचारत होतास तू?
सर 10 डेसिबलच्या खाली आपण व्हॉइस शेअर करू शकतो का?
हो, आपण 1 डेसिबलचाही साऊंड आपण ऐकू शकतो. 0 डेसिबल म्हणजे आपल्याला जस्ट ऐकू येणारा साऊंड, बिलकुल काहीच नाही, एकदम कमी.
Excuse me, sir.
येस.
1 bell is equals to how much decibel?
10 to the power -1.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, the voice above 80 decibel is creating problems. So, sir, many workers in factory should be deaf up till now.
Obviously they are.
Okay, sir.
सर
बोला.
सर इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक वेव्स कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट होतात जे आपल्याला मग ते ऐकू येतात?
त्याच्यामुळे एक मॅग्नेट मूव्ह होतं. मॅग्नेट मूव्ह झाल्यामुळे डायफ्राम मूव्ह होतो आणि तो डायफ्राम मूव्ह झाल्यामुळे आपल्याला साऊंड ऐकू येतो. दॅट इज व्हॉट.
ओके सर, थँक्यू.
स्पीकर.
Please, can you show PV?
Excuse me, sir.
बोला.
सर आपण जर स्क्रॅचेस ब्लॅकबोर्ड वर हे केले तर मग त्याचे साऊंड आपण कोण नाही जास्त ऐकू शकत?
याचं कारण असं की आपल्या त्या साऊंडचा एकतर फ्रिक्वेन्सी कमी असते किंवा मग लाऊडनेस कमी असतो. ज्या वेळेला आपल्याला साऊंड ऐकू येत नाही आहे त्यावेळेला दोनच गोष्टी कारणीभूत असू शकतात. एक तर तो ऑडिएबल रेंज मध्ये नाही, किंवा तो खूप कमी आहे, किंवा आपल्या कानामध्ये डिफेक्ट आहे.
ओके सर.
राइट बेटा.
Excuse me, sir.
यस.
सर जैसा यहाँ पे लिखा है सर, साउंड अबव 80 डेसिबल क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम टू ह्यूमन बीइंग. सर फिर हम कम से कम कितना साउंड सुन सकते हैं सर?
कम से कम तो हम 1 डेसिबल भी सुन सकते हैं, मगर अभी तक हम लोगों के कान इतने खराब हो चुके हैं कि हम लोग 1 डेसिबल नहीं सुन सकते.
सर तो फिर
ये भी
कितने
है,
सुन सकते हैं?
टेस्ट भी रहती है हियरिंग की. तो हम लोग
नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग तो हम सुन नहीं
सर
सकते
देन मॅक्सिमम
Maximum we can hear up to 200 decibel.
Hello, sir.
Creates problem to us. It is called as pollution of sound.
Hello, sir.
ये वगैरह जो चालू रहते हैं उसके कारण हमारा बहुत नुकसान होता है कान का.
Sir, in theater, how many decibels sound is there?
It is supposed to be below 80 decibel. So multiple mics are expected over there.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Animals hear sound up to how much decibel?
Depends on animal. Animal to animal it changes.
Okay, sir.
But we cannot hear our breathing.
We definitely can hear our breathing.
Sir, but normal breathing is not that much audible.
Means our ears have a problem.
Sir, when plane used to take
Chaos
off.
which is around us, we have lost our capacities of hearing. Second character is, instead of loudness, now it is pitch. Pitch of the sound. This was the term which was used earlier, before knowing the precise meaning of the sound. Later on, we came to know that this pitch is nothing but frequency. Now, there are two types of sounds, high pitch and low pitch. You might be knowing us by name Rani Mukherjee. Her speech is with high pitch. But at the same time, Amitabh Bachchan, that particular is low pitch. This is low pitch. This is high pitch.
Sir, when plane used to take off, then it creates a irritating sound. How much decibel it is?
I don't know the value. One can check it by carrying.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is difference between pitch and low pitch?
Pitch is the name. Low pitch means value of the pitch is less. And the value of the pitch is more. When it is less, it is like a roaring of the lion.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, when plane takes off, the sound should travel through the body of the plane and should be heard inside, but it is not heard.
Inside means hearing is not done by body. Hearing is done by the ear only.
No, means if we are sitting inside the plane, means that much noise is not experienced by us as it is outside.
Obviously.
So, but it should travel through the body of the plane, no? Solid it is, no?
It is solid, but there are sound barriers attached to it.
Okay, sir.
Passengers must not be having any trouble.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we tell pitch as sharp voice?
Yes, high pitch means sharp voice. Correct.
What is pitch?
Pardon?
What is pitch?
No. Pitch is nothing to do with speech. Pitch is the term which is related with the quality of sound, the one of the character of the sound. Earlier,
Sir, if the source of
high pitch and low
sound
pitch.
is,
Sir,
if the source of sound is near to our ears, so we can hear more sound or same.
Sound will be more. It will change the loudness. If I'm near to the mic, then my sound will increase, but pitch won't increase.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir.
Please explain it. Disconnected.
Hello.
Sir.
Excuse me, sir.
बोला ना बेटा.
Sir, as the bat travels at the night, in night, so he he throw the sound wave, sir. It is frequency or pitch?
Ultraviolet rays.
Beta, when sound is there, it will have the pitch as well as it will have the particular frequency, and pitch is same. There is no difference between the two.
Okay, sir.
Right, beta.
Excuse me, sir.
बोला.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
हा बोल ना, तू नुसतं एक्सक्यूज मी नको म्हणत जाऊस. विचार काय विचारायचंय ते.
Sir, can you please tell what is pitch?
Pitch means the particular, if mosquito is near to your ear, you hear one particular sound. That sound is with high pitch. It is a shrill sound. And when the particular mosquito is replaced by lion, at that time it is roaring of the sound. So that is with low pitch. Or otherwise, another example which I gave is, generally if we see, the boys are having the sound with low pitch and the girls are having the sound with high pitch. That is what is the difference between the pitch.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
That is why,
Bola na.
Sir, with
that is
changing
why,
distance, the sound is changing. The volume of sound is changing, sir.
Yes. As the source of sound goes away, the loudness reduces.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
excuse me, sir.
Sir, woman voice has high frequency compared to the man voice.
Yes. High frequency means high pitch.
Sir, what is the difference between pitch and frequency?
No difference. They are same terms.
Sir, as you said, woman's voice is.
That is why when we
more
sing,
so high it is, sir.
when a woman sings, it is heard louder, and when
Not louder.
man
Not
sings,
louder. Louder is totally different. It is with high pitch. That's all.
So why it is?
Because of the particular construction of vocal box, vocal cords. The woman's vocal cords are short in length.
सर आता मी बोलत आहे तर माझी जी पिच आहे ती म्हणजे चेंज होईल का?
जर तू स्वतः चेंज करायचं ठरवलं तर चेंज होईल. जसं आता मी माझी पिच वेगळी झाली, पिच मध्ये तुम्हाला जास्ती पिच ऐकू येते, आणि ते जर का मी या आवाजामध्ये बोललो ही लो पिच ऐकू येते आणि हा माझा नॉर्मल पिच आहे. Definitely can stretch the vocal cords and change my pitch.
Excuse me, sir. Why is it that high pitch voices are sweet to hear and low pitch voices are?
No such thing is there. No such thing is there. Mosquitoes flying is not at all pleasant to hear.
But sir, women's voices are sweet while men's voices are harsh.
No such thing is there. No such thing is there. Both are melodious. Yes.
The intensity of the sound decreases as we move away from the sound.
Intensity means loudness, beta.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Bola.
Sir, why pitch were replaced by frequency?
Because pitch was just the particular undefined term. The frequency was well defined because we came to know that sound is a wave.
Excuse me, sir.
बोला.
सर एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग कितनी आवाज क्रिएट कर सकते?
मैं सुना नहीं, समझा नहीं आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं.
सर एक ह्यूमन बीइंग किती डेसिबल लोग साउंड क्रिएट करू शकते?
ते त्या माणसावरती डिपेंड आहे ना बेटा.
सर मीन्स हायेस्ट व्हॉल्यूम.
हो, तर आता तो कोण आहे ओरडणारा याच्यावरती अवलंबून राहील. व्हॉल्यूम वेगळा असेल, तुझा हायेस्ट व्हॉल्यूम वेगळा असेल, आणखी कोणाचा तरी त्याच्याहून वेगळा असेल.
ओके सर.
राईट.
Sir,
बोला.
my voice differ from person to person.
Because of the length of the vocal cords.
Sir,
बोला.
what is the highest frequency of the human being?
Not well defined.
Sir,
बोला.
sir, what is the unit of loudness?
अरे आत्ताच तर झालं. Decibel.
सर मी डिस्कनेक्ट झाली होती वाटते.
वाटतं असं नाही म्हणायचं बेटा. आपल्याला माहिती पाहिजे ना आपण कनेक्टेड आहोत की अनकनेक्टेड आहोत ते. हा. So the unit of loudness is decibel.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So you can go previous slide.
Yes, sir, previous slide.
Why does
Excuse me, sir. Previous slide.
याच्याही आधीची.
No, sir. This one only.
No, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can decibel be converted in hertz?
No chance. How the particular loudness can be converted into frequency?
Excuse me, sir.
बोला.
Sir, can you show the slide?
नाही ते पाठवीन बेटा मी नंतर मग.
सर मैं न्यू एडमिशन हूँ तो पहले की नोट आप ग्रुप पे भेज देंगे.
हाँ.
Excuse me, sir.
बोला.
Sir, why it is always like this that our sound in phone is different from our real voice?
That is the defect of the phone. If the phone is good, then the sound is safe.
Sir, but generally it happens.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं रहता generally.
Okay.
Sir.
हाँ.
Sir, why all human beings have different voices?
Because their vocal cords are of different lengths.
Yes, sir.
Right.
सर सब ह्यूमन बीइंग के वोकल कॉर्ड अलग अलग रहते हैं, अलग अलग साइज के रहते हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Excuse me, sir.
बोला.
Sir, what is our infrasonic sound?
Infrasonic means the one which is having its frequency less than 20 hertz.
Thank you, sir.
Ultrasonic sound means, sir?
Sir?
Obviously, more than 20 kilohertz.
Sir?
बोला.
So will you please show first slide? Means before slide, sir?
Before slide.
अरे तुम्ही गप्पा मारत बसता का रे? किती राहतं तुमचं असं बेटा? नको राहायला एवढं. इतकं स्लो.
No, sir, this one not after one. That.
No, that I won't be showing. That you can see afterwards.
Excuse me, sir.
बोला.
How does earphones hurt damage our ears?
I will explain it better. When you will take ear, at that time I will explain.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, please.
Sir, what is the frequency of the sound of the wave?
Of the
Whale.
wave?
Whale.
Well, it is ultrasonic.
So
प्रश्नांना सायंटिफिक प्रश्न नाही म्हणत ना.
Sir, what is the decimal of ultrasonic?
काय होती, पोपटाची काय आहे, माणसाची काय आहे? These are meaningless questions. Try to be scientific. थोडंसं टेक्स्टबुक वाचलेलं पाहिजे आणि त्याच्यावरून प्रश्न पाहिजे. जनरल नॉलेजचे प्रश्न झाले बेटा. याच्यामध्ये मला खरंच काही खूप फारसा इंटरेस्ट नाहीये. So now we will see what exactly is compression and rarefaction, as well as the particular type of sound waves. This is what is the wave which appears to propagate. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला असं वाटतं की चाललं काहीतरी पुढे पुढे डावीकडून उजवीकडे. Let me hope that you are able to see it over there. It gives that something is moving in this direction. These are the compressions. These are produced in the air which is in between, or the liquid also which is in between. But if you look at these particular particles carefully, you will see that they are not moving from here to here. They are just vibrating at its own place. Now again try to see this very carefully. so that you can understand what I'm saying. Just concentrate on that red dot. And you will see that it is just vibrating at its own place. This dot may be the dot of liquid, this may be of solid, this may be of gas. But
so that dot is particle?
Pardon?
That dot is a particle?
Yeah, that dot represents the particle. I have intentionally given color to one of the dot. One is over here also, without arrow. One is over here also. The distance between two compressions is called as one wave. And in 1 second, how many such compressions pass? That gives me the frequency. In between compression, there is a rarefaction. So
Sir,
you
can you pardon?
I don't expect that.
Sir, what is rarefaction?
Rarefactions means opposite to compression.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me,
Means
sir.
all the things are chaotic. They are collected.
Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Bola, bola.
Then one wave.
Compressions.
Sir, then one wave is one compression to the other compression.
What is your question? I'm not getting it.
Sir, then one wave is a one compression to another compression.
Yes, that is one wavelength.
Yes. Okay.
Between the two
Excuse me,
alternate
sir.
compressions.
Okay. Thank
Sir.
you.
Bola.
Excuse me, sir. Compressions are close to each other and rarefaction are away.
Yes, perfectly correct.
सर टू वेव्हच्या मध्यातलं जे डिस्टन्स असतं त्याला अँप्लिट्यूड म्हणतात.
नाही, त्याला अँप्लिट्यूड नाही म्हणत. जितकं जास्ती कॉम्प्रेशन असेल तेवढं ते अँप्लिट्यूड जास्ती आहे असं म्हणतात. या यामध्ये आपल्याला अँप्लिट्यूड नाही दाखवता येत.
ओके सर.
So the next fact is this, that the sound of frequency less than 20 vibration per second, म्हणजे 20 hertz, it cannot be detected by human ear. ही सध्याच्या काळामध्ये तुमच्या आजूबाजूला जे टीव्ही चालू असतात, तुम्ही जे म्युझिक ऐकता, मोबाईलचा यूज करता खूप जास्ती, त्याच्यामुळे हे आता झालेलं आहे जवळपास 200 हर्ट्ज. जो माणूस स्वतःला नॉर्मल समजतो तो 20 हर्ट्जचा साऊंड ऐकूच शकत नाही. And there are easy tests available. Several many tests are there. And the sound which is above 20,000 hertz, that also cannot be heard by human. So human can hear from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz.
Sir, KHZ is it is the unit of kilohertz.
Correct.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
So the sound with frequency below 20 hertz is infrasound. And above 20 hertz is ultrasound.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is the decimal of ultrasonic sound?
बेटा ते तर डिपेंड करेल ते किती लाऊड आहे त्याच्यावरती. अल्ट्रासाउंडचा आणि डेसिबलचा काहीच संबंध नाही. Ultrasound means the sound with frequency more than 20 kilohertz. How much is loudness depends on its amplitude. They have no relation among them.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes.
हर्ट्ज आणि डेसिबल मध्ये काय रिलेशन आहे?
हर्ट्जचा आणि डेसिबलचा काहीच रिलेशन नाहीये.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, sir.
हे पहा, मी इथे तुम्हाला एक फिगर काढून दाखवतो पुन्हा.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
बोला.
सर ऐसा कोई एनिमल है जो इंफ्रासोनिक तो साउंड, इंफ्रा नहीं, अल्ट्रासोनिक साउंड तो निकालता ही है, पर ह्यूमन को ऑडिबल साउंड भी निकाल सकता है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
मतलब उसने अल्ट्रासोनिक निकाली तो अपने को सुनाई नहीं देगा, और अगर उसने ऑडिबल निकाली तो अपने को सुनाई देगा, मतलब वो चेक कर सकता है.
बिल्कुल बराबर.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
Now over here, if you look at the black sound, red sound, and the blue sound, what is same in all the three sounds?
They are curved.
Wavelength.
Frequency is same. Amplitude is not same. Amplitude is different over there. This is having maximum amplitude. This is less than that, and this is still lesser.
Minimum and red is medium and blue is maximum.
They are having same frequency. Obviously, same wavelength. But different amplitude. Whereas now I will draw the another wave. Now over here you can see that if I assume that the particular highest displacement is same for all the three, then they are having same amplitude. But different frequency. Frequency is different means wavelength is also different.
So can you repeat? I was not able to listen it.
Look at the figures and try to understand whatever is written over there. Even if you were not present, your brain is present. Look at the figure and try to understand.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. So over here you can see that the frequency is identical, but loudness is different. So pitch is same, but the loudness is different. Over here loudness is same, but pitch is different because they are sandwiched between the same level. So their loudness is same, but the pitch is different.
Sir, can you show previous slide?
Yes, here it is.
Okay, sir.
So sound is produced by vibration of string in the string instruments like guitar, sitar, whereas in tabla, drum, mridang, dholak, surface membrane is vibrating. In the flute, harmonium, the air column is vibrating.
Please show previous slide.
बेटा हे एवढं होऊ दे, मग नंतर मी पाठवतोच आहे आजचं. आता सगळे थोडंसं जरा सिरियस व्हा जरा, आणि मी काय म्हणतोय त्याच्याकडे लक्ष द्या. तुमचे माईक बंदच ठेवा सध्याशी. तुम्ही काहीतरी बोलत राहा आणि कपाळावरती हात ठेवा. बोलत राहायचं आणि कपाळावरती हात ठेवायचा. सर, कपाळावरती हात ठेवल्याने बोलण्याला काय फरक पडणार आहे? काहीच फरक पडत नाही, मला माहिती आहे. मग त्याच्यानंतर छातीवरती हात ठेवा आणि बोलत राहा, तरी सुद्धा काही फारसा फरक पडत नाही. नाव पुट युअर हँड ऑन युअर थ्रोट अँड स्पीक. And now whenever you are speaking, you are able to feel that particular vibrations. Talk and realize this. Talk and realize. Do it. Speak. Speak.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir. We can hear the vibration.
आणखीन एक छोटासा प्रयोग करा सगळेजण. लक्षात घ्या काय म्हणतोय मी ते. हात तसाच ठेवायचा गळ्यावरती आणि थुंकी गिळायची. थुंकी गिळत असताना एक तुम्हाला तिथे उंचवटा जो असा एक बाहेर आलेला बबल, तो असा वरती जाताना वाटतो, असा सरकतो असा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what is your vocal. Yes.
Yes,
This
sir.
particular is your vocal box. हा जो असा बाहेर आलेला भाग आहे, that is called as vocal box, or in scientific language, larynx. So whenever human is going to speak, he is going to produce the sound from his vocal box or larynx.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, voice box and Adam Apple are same only or different?
काय म्हणलंस? व्हॉइस बॉक्स अँड
Adam's Apple.
ऍडम्स ऍपल, त्याला हे म्हणतात का मला माहिती नाही. हे लँग्वेज मधला शब्द आहे. ऍडम्स ऍपल इज रिलेटेड विथ द स्टोरी ऑफ द बायबल.
Okay, sir.
And that particular is
because many
the fruit of wisdom, and it was
many elder boys, they have a bulged throat. That's why they say they have Adam's apple.
I don't know, beta.
Okay, sir.
I will go through and I will try to find out.
I thought scientific relation.
But it is one thing is certain, that in scientific language it is called as larynx.
Yes, sir.
Sir, voice box is also known as Adam's apple.
Pardon?
Voice box is also known as Adam's apple.
Okay, I don't know this. I came to know this, and now onwards I will tell others if it is true.
Excuse me, sir.
Bola.
Why some people can't speak?
There are many medical problems for that. स्वरा पाटील, तुमचा माईक चालू आहे. बॅकग्राऊंडचं बोलणं ऐकू येत आहे. So it is at the upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords. They are stretched across the pipe box in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between, and that is for passage of the air. There is a figure for this vocal box, sir. This is
Will you please show previous slide?
touching.
Please show previous slide.
So 1 minute.
Sir, done.
Sir, the children,
No,
or
sir.
people, those who are dumb, are their voice box damaged or they don't vibrate?
There might be several many reasons, beta. I am not from medical side, so I don't know about it.
Sir, done.
Problem has to be there.
Sir, done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, done.
Yes.
No, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. ते वायर घे बरं जरा, त्यांनी आवाज ऐकू येईल तर बघू. ती हेडफोनची वायर टेबल वरती.
Sir, done.
So this is what is the picture. Here is that particular elevation vocal box. Now we will see the detailed structure of vocal box. I will take it out from there. This is how it is. These are the vocal cords. This is our tongue. And below this is esophagus, the pipe through which the wind as well as food goes down.
Sir, but wind goes down to trachea, na?
हाँ.
Sir, आपने बोला कि through esophagus wind and food go down.
बेटा वो सेपरेशन एक ही पाइप है, उसमें कोई सेपरेशन नहीं है कुछ. Trachea and esophagus, they are at the beginning, they are same pipes. Later on, they separate out.
Okay, sir.
That's why you can see esophagus over here as well as trachea over here. This particular is the part of trachea. Air comes through this, vibrates this, and the sound is produced. Now we will see the structure of human ear. It is divided into three parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Outer ear starts with pinna. This is the bone which is flexible. If you try to turn it, it makes one type of sound, tuck, 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 tuck. And whenever you release, it goes back. It's a flexible bone. From this pinna to tympanum, that is popularly known as drum, this particular part of the ear is called as outer ear. till this drum, the particular air column rises up so that the water should not go in. Then there are existence of 3 bones: hammer, anvil, and steps. These are not scientific names, but these are more popular names. And these bones are connected to cochlea. We will see this by a figure that is more useful. So let me show the figure now. So here it is rising up. This is what is the pinna. This is what is the air drum.
पडदा.
हा, त्यालाच कानाचा पडदा असं म्हणतात.
Sir, can you show previous slide once?
पडदा. अरे यार.
Sir, why do this? Sir, in the book it is written that you should never allow water to go inside the ears. Why is it so that?
Because if the particular water is there, along with that water, the things will be there which will be harmful for biological growth.
No, but water will float. मतलब water तो बाहर आ ही जाएगा ना, क्योंकि height है ना अंदर तो.
हाँ, मगर अगर हमने वो कान टेढ़ा ताड़ा घुमाया और वाटर अंदर चले गया, फिर वो वहां पर्दे के पास में रह जाएगा.
ओके सर.
पर्दा गीला होगा, फिर उस पर फंगस ग्रो होगा.
Yes.
फिर हमको इन्फेक्शन होगा, फिर कान में दर्द होगा.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it is said that very small bone is in our ears.
Yes, very small.
Excuse me, sir.
Bola.
You were going to tell the harmful effects of headphones.
Yeah, I'm going to tell. Now, over here, you can see this particular is a drum. Now, if this drum gets pressed very highly, at that time that pressure is released from this tube. This is called as eustachian tube. It is connected to our throat. Due to this, if there is some medicinal drops put in your ear, sometimes we have a particular very bad test. Actually, throat don't have any relation with our tongue. It comes through our throat. So that is what is okay. Another thing
So
is,
why do we feel the test, sir, if there is no relation?
this
with the tongue?
esophagus is connected, eustachian tube is connected to esophagus. So it goes up to eustachian tube and from there it rises up and the test is created. And you can feel that it is connected to your eustachian tube by, just see, please try to do this particular experiment. Hold your nose tightly, close your nose and try to blow the air and you will feel the pressure in ear.
Sir, असं वाटतं की कान असे फुलत आहे.
आतून कोणीतरी
Yes,
लोटून-
sir.
Sir, we
This
will
is
feel
because
that our ear will be burst.
Correct. So this is because that air goes from this eustachian tube आणि आतून ते ड्रमला बाहेर लोटतं असं. हे इथे आहे eustachian tube कडून ते याला जातं घशाकडे. So this particular is connected to your throat. Air is our throat. So whenever we try to blow the air, that air goes from here and it presses the drum in the reverse direction.
हार्मफुल आहे का?
Harmful आपण तेवढं करू शकत नाही. On the other hand, whenever the plane is taking off, at that time if you do this, it is quite makes it easy to take off the plane. Otherwise we have the pain in our ear. Now
सर
when
आपले कान थोड्या वेळसाठी बंद होतात ना सर जेव्हा पाणी जातं सर.
हा करेक्ट आहे, बंदच होतात तेव्हा दडा बसतो असं म्हणतो आपण कानाला. Now what is happening is this, that whenever some very high sound is coming, मोठ्या आवाजात कोणीतरी बोलताय, तर तिथे पिन्ना त्याचं साऊंड व्हायब्रेशन ऍक्सेप्ट करतं. ते व्हायब्रेशन ऍक्सेप्ट करून त्याला कमी करून टाकतं आणि मग उरलेला साऊंड इथून आतमध्ये जातो. But whenever we are using the earphone, at that time they are connected over here only. These are the plugs. आता या ठिकाणी जर का व्हॉल्यूम वाढला,
मला काय माहिती चालू आहे तुझं असं नाक बंद करा भूक मार.
अथर्व सध्याशी नको सांगूस बेटा. अथर्व आत्ताशी बोलू नकोस माईक वरती. माईक बंद कर आणि मग आईला समजावून सांग.
सर तुमचा आवाज इको होत आहे.
हो सर.
हा इको होत असेल. तुझा माईक बंद कर.
कोणतरी स्पीकर जवळ माईक लावून राहिलेला.
ठीक आहे.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
येस
सर जर इयरफोन लावलं तेव्हाच ते तिथं एकदम क्लोज असते, नाही तर हेडफोन लावल्यावर तो पूर्ण पिन्ना पण त्या हेडफोन मध्ये असा कव्हर असते.
हो ना, कव्हर काही असू दे ना. तू इथे कव्हर कर की तिथे कव्हर कर, परंतु जे आहे ते तर बंदच आहे ना.
तर मग तो पूर्ण गोल असते एकदम. तो पूर्ण गोल असतो, पूर्ण कानाला लागते तो.
हा, तर याच्यामध्ये एक्सेस एअरला बाहेर जायला जागाच नाही ना काही. त्यावेळेला इकडचं प्रेशर वाढलं, त्यावेळेला जी एक्सेस एअर इथे दाबल्या गेली, त्या याला बाहेर जायला तुम्ही जागाच ठेवली नाही. इथे इयरफोननी बंद करून टाकलं.
नाही सर, मग त्याच्यावरती तो रबर असते ना, तिकडून तर हवा निघते ना.
नाही निघत बेटा काही असं.
पॅक
इथेही असतं. प्रत्येक इयरफोन वरती हे इन्स्ट्रक्शन असते की इट मस्ट बी युज्ड ॲट लो व्हॉल्यूम.
कव्हर करतात ना.
ओके.
तुला वापरायचं असेल वापर, माझं काहीच म्हणणं नाही. मला काय जाऊन राहिलं, तू बाहेर झालं, मला काहीच त्रास नाहीये त्याचा.
मोस्टली नव्या फोन्स मध्ये इयरफोन प्लग केला तर आपोआप व्हॉल्यूम कमी होऊन जातो.
हा ठीक आहे, परंतु जर का त्या ठिकाणी एखादा काही मोठ्या आवाजामध्ये काही असलं त्याच्यामध्ये, तर त्यांनी जे ते होणारच आहे इयरला.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हा तुमचा स्वतःचा प्रश्न आहे. मी इथे सांगितलं की ते हार्मफुल आहे, करायचं की नाही करायचं तुम्ही ठरवा. मी जबरदस्ती नाही करणार काहीच.
Excuse me, sir.
Now the sound is coming like this. It will vibrate the diaphragm, the drum. Due to that, these are the three bones. These particular bones, they are known as anvil, and stirrup. These are its scientific names.
Sir, what are organs of balance?
कशाचे organ?
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, here it is given no organs of balance. So what it is?
That particular. Okay. That is the another job of ear to the body.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
why it is said that
What you have explained yet, sir? I would got disconnected by the connectivity, sir.
So try to listen now. So
Excuse
when
me,
the
sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
तर असं का बरं म्हणतात की आपण हेडफोन लावले तर आपली कानाची नस दबते आणि आपण त्यांनी म्हणजे आपल्याला मग आपण नॉर्मल माणसाचा आवाज ऐकला तर आपल्याला ऐकू नाही येत.
कारण की या ठिकाणी एअर तिथे प्रेशर जास्ती टाकते. नस दबते असं दिसत नाही होत काही. ड्रम डॅमेज होतो त्या याच्यामध्ये.
Excuse me, sir.
बोला.
Excuse me, sir.
Where is the smallest bone in our ear?
Here they are. These are 3 bones.
If mistakenly someone put a sharp object in the ear drum and if the eardrum gets damaged, can it be repaired naturally?
Yeah, it can be repaired by operation, but every time it is not guaranteed.
No, naturally it can be repaired. म्हणजे आपोआप
Naturally, no.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, as you told that in the earphones, it will if we use the earphone excessive, it will damage our eardrum. But if we use
No
wool,
need of excessive. Even if you are using a earphone for one time, it is going to damage the ear.
but sir, if we use wool instead of rubber, so wool will absorb some sound, no?
Some sound. Air won't be
So, sir, damage.
absorbed. Why you are so keen to use the earphones? You cannot hear? Having some problem with your ear?
No.
Then
Excuse me, sir.
No,
हाँ बोला.
सर जेव्हा नाही का कोणी बोलत नसते तेव्हा आपण रूम मध्ये बंद असतो सर तेव्हा नाही का असं सुन्न असा आवाज येतो का आपल्या कान वाजत असतात तेव्हा
हा त्याला कान वाजणं नाही म्हणत. हवा जी असते आपल्या आजूबाजूला दॅट क्रिएट द साऊंड. तुम्ही असं हाताचा असा नुसता गोल केला आणि तो जरी कानावर ठेवला तरी सुद्धा तुम्हाला आवाज ऐकू येतो तसा. सो दॅट इज एअर मॉलिक्युल्स विच आर मुव्हिंग.
Sir, we are using earbuds to clean our ears. So earbuds goes directly in ear, no? So it is harmful or not?
It is definitely harmful. Less harmful than the particular pencil or key.
Okay, sir.
It is not suggested. And the earbuds clean the particular waxy surface that is necessary for ear.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is there any work of the organs of balance in our ear, means sound production, ma'am, sir?
No. That's why we are not going to deal with that today.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
बोला.
सर अभी आपने बोला कि अगर कान को हाथ लगाए तो एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स की आवाज आती, तो पर एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स तो 20 हर्ट्ज से कम वाइब्रेट करते होंगे, तो आवाज कैसे आ रही हो? तो इंफ्रासोनिक होने चाहिए.
वहां पर अपने को क्या होता है कि those air molecules they keep on hitting on our hand and the frequency increases.
ओके सर.
And due to that it is audible.
ओके सर. थैंक यू सर.
Now this is the particular middle part, little bit enlarged figure. So these are the 3 bones, 1, 2, and this is 3rd one.
लेंथ काय असणार आहे छोट्या बोनची
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this auditory tube is connected to, sir?
To brain.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the work of it?
Work of what? Sorry, auditory tube means it is connected to eustachian tube. Auditory tube means eustachian.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
It is
means
connected to throat.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the snail
This
type?
particular is cochlea. And this is what that balance organ, we are not going to deal with it right now.
So tomorrow we will means so you will teach that balance organ.
Sir, what is that rolled one?
This particular is cochlea.
Sir, what is the work of
Sir,
cochlea?
pardon.
increase the sound.
Sir, please pardon.
हाँ बोलना बेटा. Cochlea.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
नॉइसला कमी करतो आणि कॉक्लियाला वाढतो.
Yes, बेटा.
सर ऐसा ही हुआ ना कि पिन्ना वॉइस को कम करता है और कॉक्लिया बढ़ाता.
हाँ.
तो कम करने का फायदा क्या?
कम करने का फायदा ऐसा है कि ईयर ड्रम डैमेज ना हो.
ओके सर.
और
सर फिर वो ईयर ड्रम के आगे
करता है इसके लिए, यानी ज्यादा, यानी ओरिजिनल से ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता वो, मगर जो नर्व्स रहती है जो ब्रेन की तरफ जाती है उसको लेकर सिग्नल को, उनको अच्छे से सुनाई दे.
ओके सर.
ईयर ड्रम से मांगा कौन है?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if along somewhere music is going on and sometime it gets stops, then it repeats in our mind, sir. Why?
Because we recall it. It is in our memory.
सर ते कानात जे मशीन लावतात सर, ते कानमध्ये काय डॅमेज झाल्यामुळे लावतात?
एक तर त्या ठिकाणी असं असतं की हे जे बोन्स आहेत यांच्यामध्ये कॅव्हिटी तयार होते, इथून साऊंड नीट जात नाही. और अदरवाइज देयर कॉक्लिया इज डॅमेज्ड or the particular eardrum is damaged. But generally if eardrum is damaged, then it can be rectified. But once this cochlea or this particular bones are damaged, they are not replaceable.
त्याचा यूज काय सर?
Sir, there is no operation for cochlea.
Maybe some specified, I don't know, but as per my knowledge, no.
Sir, ते बोन्सचं काय काम आहे? Sir, what is the use of those bones?
If the eardrum is...
Yes. काय विचारायचं होतं आता कोणा?
का बरं होतं की आपलं गळा दुखतो आणि आपले कान पण दुखतात गळा दुखल्यामुळे?
गळा दुखल्यामुळे कान नाही दुखत. काही वेळेला कान दुखत असताना गळा दुखू शकतो, कारण की ते कनेक्टेड आहेत युस्टेशियन ट्यूबनी. इन्फेक्शन इकडून तिकडे जाऊ शकतं.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Is there specific shape given to eardrum so that we are able to hear?
Yeah, definitely. It is cone shape.
Thank you, sir.
The presence of excessive noise in the surrounding may cause many health-related problems. One of the major problems is lack of sleep. High blood pressure. लँग्वेज मध्ये म्हणतात हायपरटेन्शन. एन्झायटी येते, चिडचिड होते आपली खूप. हे खूप कॉमन झालेलं आहे सध्याची एन्झायटी वाढणे. So particularly those workers who work in factories, they have very high anxiety.
म्हणजे
ते पटकन डिस्टर्ब होतात, चिडचिड करतात. घरी पोरांनी छोटीशी जरी चूक केली तरी ते एकदम मारायला धावतात.
सर का बरं?
कारण की तो आजार होतो जास्तीच्या साऊंडमुळे.
सर त्या आजाराला कोणतं पर्टिक्युलर नेम आहे का?
एन्झायटी.
Sir, then this disease can be lead to the factory work.
Yeah, so factory workers are supposed to put the ear plugs whenever they are working. पण ती केअर आपल्याकडे घेतल्या जात नाही तेवढी.
सर इयर प्लग म्हणजे
इयर म्हणजे कानामध्ये पोळे घालायचे, ज्याच्यामुळे साऊंड येणार नाही.
सर या आजारासाठी काही ट्रीटमेंट?
Yeah, treatment is there. Go to doctor, they will give the treatment.
Sir, when gun shooting is there, the shooters wear headphones in their ears so that the voice should not reach their ears.
Yes, perfectly correct. Perfectly correct.
Sir, when they're doing practice, they put headphones, but the soldiers
It is not
on the
headphone beta, it is head plugs.
head plugs, but the soldiers on the battlefield, they don't use it, so their ears are damaged.
Yeah, obviously. Because they need to hear the orders also.
Yes, sir.
सर मग त्यांचे इयर काऊन नाही डॅमेज होत सर?
होतातच ना बेटा.
ओके.
तुम्ही जर का नेटवरती जाऊन पाहिलं ना, इयर टेस्ट म्हणून एक हे आहे. Over there you can check that how old are you and how old are your ears. तुमच्या असं लक्षात येईल की तुमच्यापेक्षा तुमचे कान खूप जास्ती म्हातारे आहेत. कारण की तुम्हाला आजूबाजूच्या या हाय व्हॉल्यूम साऊंडमुळे इतकं खराब झालेलं आहे सगळं काही. त्याच्यात आता लक्षात येईल इयर प्लग वापरून जे काही तुम्ही हे करता त्या याच्यामध्ये तुमचा तो इयरचा एज जास्त येईल. खूप कमी रेंजचा साऊंड तुम्हाला ऐकू येईल. लिहिताना आपण लिहितो 20 हर्ट्स टू 20 किलो हर्ट्स. बेट मारून सांगतो तुमच्यापैकी एकालाही 200 हर्ट्स पर्यंत साऊंडच ऐकू येत नाही काहीच. You cannot hear the sound up to 200 hertz. It is said that you are supposed to hear the sound of 20 hertz.
Excuse me, sir.
Why? Sir, why?
Your ears are damaged already.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the problems, because the problems which we are having in the ears, that we cannot hear low voice, it is genetical, means it can be continued in next generation.
No.
It is physical.
It is physical problem, not genetic problem.
Okay, sir.
सर NXT साठी अजून काय रिझन आहे?
काय म्हणलं मला ऐकू नाही आलं पुन्हा.
NXT साठी मोर रिझन कोणचे आहे?
कशासाठी?
NXT.
Anxiety.
How many decibels is the sound when the rocket engine starts?
This particular pronounces as.
सर इयर प्लग जास्त घातल्याने काही होऊ शकते का आपल्या कानाला?
इयर प्लग ने नाही डॅमेज होत काहीच. इयर प्लग इज अ सेफ्टी डिव्हाइस.
Excuse me, sir.
How many decibels is the sound when the engine starts?
सर
बोला.
सर अपन ईयर प्लग यूज करते तो सर इतना सा भी आवाज नहीं आता क्या?
काफी कम हो जाता है.
Yes.
Sir,
बोला.
what is the use of earplug?
Pardon?
What is the use of earplug?
It don't allow sound or the air vibrations to enter into your ear.
Excuse me, sir.
बोला.
If we use headphones continuously, our head also pains.
Yeah, headache is always there because of hypertension.
Sir,
हाँ बोला.
sir, the full voice of speakers is lower than the means ultrasonic sound.
बेटा तू पुन्हा त्या ठिकाणी लाऊडनेसला आणि फ्रिक्वेन्सीला मिक्स करतोय. Ultrasonic sound is related with the frequency. Whereas तन्मय video on नको. Whereas the particular speaker's volume is related with loudness. Whatever volume I change, it will never change to ultrasonic.
Okay, sir.
Right, beta. So at this stage.
Anxiety काय reason आहे?
Pardon?
Anxiety चे अजून काही reason आहे?
Sir, will you please send this
reasons
PPT?
आहेत.